Ang cute naman ng anak natin! Ano mo? Los, say mama! 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 Good boy, ha? Say Papa again. Papa. Papa. Good boy. Okay. Tapos, since to this stage the process of learning the language and development of basic cognitive, affective, and behavioral. Simple. Namus, kumain ka na. Say up, up, up. I will sing a song. Wait, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Balikan ulang. Behavioral and manipulative skill of the child. Say Olivia. Bebe, bebe, tangin mo. Bakit? Bakit? Yan ma'am, yung scene 4. And scene 5 namin, easy. The primary is the period when the members of the family are peaceful and then have persons encounters with outside this nuclear and extended families. Bali, ma'am, mamaya papaliwanag ko sa isa-isa. Yes. Ito na, it is the period when the core of the person's identity is developed. Ayan, ma'am. Yung pinakita namin ko, yung may kasama siyang bata, ay yung nakikita mo na yung skills niya na ano siya, makulit,